Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the channel Read with Rizwan. In today's video we shall be discussing about classic science fiber to fabric. So let's get started. If you go to a shop to buy fabric for your dress, you would see a variety of fabrics there. Do you wonder what these fabrics are made of? How you get variety in fabrics? Why are some materials warm, some soft and others rough? Why do some materials go bad after washing while others remain the same? Do you know what fabrics are made of? Take a cloth and pull out a thread. Untwist to loosen this thread. You will see that it is made up of smaller threads or hair-like strands. Pull out some of these. This single hair-like strand is called fiber. A fiber is a hair-like strand from which all fabrics are made. Fabrics are made up of yarns and yarns are further made up of fibers. The fibers of some fabrics such as cotton, jute, silk and wool are obtained from plants and animals. These are called natural fibers. Cotton and jute are example of fibers obtained from plants. Wool and silk are obtained from animals. Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep or goat. It is also obtained from the hair of rabbits, yak and camels. Silk fiber is drawn from the cocoon of silkworm. For thousands of years, natural fibers were the only one available for making fabrics. In the last 100 years or so, fibers are also made from chemical substances which are not obtained from plants or animal sources. These are called synthetic fibers. Some examples of synthetic fibers are polyester, nylon and acrylic. Some plant fibers. Cotton. Have you ever made wicks for oil lamps? What do you use for making these wicks? This cotton wool is also used for filling mattresses, quilts or pillows. Take some cotton wool, pull it apart and look at its edges. What do you observe? The small thin strands that you see are made up of cotton fibers. Where does this cotton wool come from? It is grown in the fields. Cotton plants are usually grown at places having black soil and warm climate. Have you ever seen a cotton field that is ready for picking? It looks like field covered with snow. From these boils, cotton is usually picked by hand. Fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing. This process is called ginning of cotton. Ginning was traditionally done by hand. These days, machines are also used for ginning. Jute. Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. It is cultivated during the rainy season. In India, jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. The jute plant is normally harvested when it is at flowering stage. The stems of the harvested plants are immersed in water for a few days. The stems rot and fibers are separated by hand. To make fabrics, all these fibers are first converted into yarns. How is it done? Spinning cotton yarn. You can try making cotton yarn yourself. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. In this process, fibers from a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This brings the fibers together to form a yarn. A simple device used for spinning is a hand spindle, also called takli. Another hand-operated device used for spinning is charkha. Use of charkha was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi as a part of the independence movement. He encouraged people to wear clothes made of homespun yarn and shun imported cloth made in the mills of Britain. Spinning of yarn on a large scale is done with the help of spinning machines. After spinning, yarns are used for making fabric. That's it in the video. Thanks for watching.